a Dyson Ball Animal 2, the second one that they ever did. A UP24 machine you can still currently buy as of today, £229.99, £50 off from £279. I hope these aren't starting to slip down the discontinuation route of doom that all middle-aged Dysons do, because they got everything pretty correct with this model. This particular one, though, isn't feeling too jolly. The lady says it's just not working very well. Could I have a look and see what's going wrong? So that is what we shall do. Let us have a look and see what is going wrong. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and Dyson chums. How are you today? Yeah, we have one of these again. What should we call this? The DC40 Mark IV, because it's pretty much the same as the UP22. I think, and you can correct me if I'm wrong here, because I am still learning all of this. I'm not too au fait on the modern ones. The 40 and the 41 were very different. The UP22 and this, I think this was the difference. It went from the older style DC41 to this one, which I actually quite like. It does work well. I've had a bit of a play with it. It's a bit back heavy, but you know, you get on with it fine. You can also hold it a bit like that, or just take that off completely and use it, because yeah, then it does turn itself back into a DC40. Oh, we can look down the hose. No, there's nothing clogging there. So we're probably going to be okay. Let's put it back. I say put it back into there. Yeah, there we go. We've got to get it the right. Oh. Maybe you shouldn't do that while the hose is hanging down. There we go. That's better. I think we're just going to turn this on and see what's going on. Or we'll just end up finding the issue and never know. Oh, I've got a good one traction. All turns, but isn't really doing anything. My goodness, it stinks of dog as well. Unless that's me. I think it's this. Let's take this off and then we'll put it back on. I don't think this is completely our issue, but it'll have its own problems. There. So, the motor seems fine. I don't think it's fully the bin. There's only one thing for it, and that is to play Hunt the Clog. Yeah, good old modern Dysons with their little narrow air paths. I thought I could smell dog. That is what this is. Also, a slight hint, we've probably seen this machine before 3 years ago, because we gave it a full refurb, and I remember it smelling of dog then, because all the old Facebook messages came up when she got in contact. So, there's only one thing we need to do, and that, although he says squinting through at the inner hose, which you must always do if you buy one of these used, because otherwise you're going to spend a tenner. Yeah, I think a quick victoring will sort this out a treat. Last time that we used this was for the shark that was a fish tank, if you remember that. Yeah, this is how I treat the toys that people like Victor give me. But hey, people like Victor give me commercial grade vacuum cleaners. This is still babying it compared to everything else. Right, let's just fix this. There it is. And it's fixed. Thank you very much for watching. I hope... No. Of course, we're not quite going to leave it there, because the beauty of machines like this, and in fact, we should probably check that that was the issue before we go and congratulate ourselves and move on. turned the wrong machine on. Ha 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 ha. No, we're not quite out of the wood yet. You're never going to see it. But there seems to be a piece of wood stuck back there, which is causing the flap to not flap properly. Probably fix that reasonably easily. We might actually be better off if we take off the hose, which should be as simple as pulling that off, taking this off, pushing this little red latch here and pulling up the back. There we go. Yeah, look, I can see it a lot more now. He says, failing to get hold of it at all. Oh, look, a matchstick. Look, someone hated it so much they tried to set fire to it. Sounds like an insurance job to me. Tut, tut, tut. Right, click. I don't really care about that at the minute. That's not going to... Hey! There we go. Don't try and set fire to the Dyson and hide it. Right, we're just going to give this a quick tidy up because, yeah, I know the owner. We've had this machine every couple of years on regular. We're going to give it a very quick clean up because it does have its issues, you know. That filter isn't any good. That wants a clean wash one. Look, they do make pretty patterns, don't they? That needs to be a bit cleaned out. We'll give that a wipe out. This is, again, a modern Dyson, so we want to do things like take everything apart in order to get all the dog hair out, because I mean people have arguments with me on Facebook that these don't do this and oh you're just scaremongering, blah blah blah. They do. I mean, I guess you could counter argue and say that you should check this more regularly than every couple of years, but I'm not going to argue because I get to make a little bit of money out of this. But you've got to add a little bit of value to the customer. I couldn't just poke that at that, pull that bit of wood out and send it straight back, because that just wouldn't create the impression of wanting to come back when something else goes wrong. No. What you want to do is give it a bit of a clean up and turn it from looking like this into looking like this. And a mere few moments later, it looks, well, roughly similar, to be honest, from your side. But I have airlined it out. I have given it all a wipe down. I haven't taken the head apart to clean it because we're not doing that. It just needs to work. So, does it put itself to the floor now? Oh, yes. Well, there it is. Working well once more. A washed filter doing its thing in there, no clogs, all the dust airlined out, and probably most importantly, I'll be honest, that bit of wood removed from the changeover valve. That's probably what did it. But again, it was in need of just half an hour's worth of titivation in order to run for another couple of years. Although, yeah, this head is getting quite warm. The bearing in there isn't very happy, so we may see it back. We may be playing with a scrap head with a good bearing and titivating this some more. But I don't know, we'll find out when it happens. Until then, I thank you very much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed, and I and some other Dyson that somebody tried to set a match to will see you soon. Bye bye.